talking, I don't sweat that. If they don't trust me either, I respect that. If she need down the ride, oh, I bet that. Ooh, I slide for my people, don't forget that. Don't forget that. Don't forget that. Ooh, I slide for my people, don't forget that. Don't forget that. Don't forget that. Ooh, I slide for my people, don't forget that.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is JH. How y'all doing, Postal family? Is everybody good? Is everybody cool? Everybody clean? Are you crisp? Are you feeling irie today? Irie? Let's talk. Last 2 days has not been animated, so I'm gonna be a little animated today, okay? Little animated. Gotta move the hands, keep your face, keep you attached to the TV. There it is. All right. Listen, I don't know. Oh, but first, check out the pinned comment. Please subscribe to my channel, my other channel, not this channel, the other channel. Because, yeah, I'm trying to build that channel up because, yeah, this is just for informational purposes. Other channel, I tell you how I really feel. Okay? That'll be in the pinned comment as well as the video description. Let's talk. I think they're trying to get rid of people. I think they just pushing people out. They're forcing people to quit. How? Because I just did a video and the video had to do with the people that are forced into early retirement. No, let me retract that. Voluntary retirement for people that have been here for a while, right? Trying to get rid of people that have been here for a while. We just had the other video. Check that video out. I also hearing people that are being accessed, not necessarily, within their little 50-mile radius. They're saying, yes, you still have a job, absolutely. But the job is gonna be 120 miles away. You still have it, you just gotta, get there. Well, what the hell am I gonna do if I gotta drive 120 miles away? I can't see a damn thing. 120 miles away. So it is indirectly forcing people to make those hard decisions where they're like, this isn't worth it. The PSEs and the MHAs, they say, yeah, you still got a job, but it's gonna be there. As well as the regular clerks. Just imagine a plant no longer has the machines for a clerk to work at, right? They say, but we got good news. There's one that's about 90 miles from here. You still got your seniority. We're just gonna move you over there. And you like, what kind of boogity doo are you guys talking about? 90 miles? 90 miles, 200, you got 200 miles round trip? Ish. That's not bad math. That's, trial and error. It's 180 miles round trip. But you know what I'm saying? 2 hours, 3 hours plus? Come on now. Just round trip just to you waste your time to go to work? And the gas? That's crazy. So it's gonna force people to make unwanted decisions. And they're gonna end up quitting. Career people. A career person's getting all the benefits that go with being a career employee, right? All the benefits, as well as what? All the retirement benefits, everything. That person quits, they're off the payroll. They're forcing people to do this. Think about that. They're off the payroll. Then you got all the PSEs, they're off the payroll. All the assistants, they're off the payroll. You got all the old timers that are voluntary retirement with no incentive, they're off the payroll. They trimming the fat. I'm not saying that my fellow postal workers are fat, but they trying to trim the fat any possible way. And we're getting directly affected. And the union is right on top of it. I don't know. I just had to throw that in, a little shade. Little shade. Alrighty then. Let's talk about something good. Scholarships. Don't you shut this off. Okay? Don't you shut it off. Okay? I spoke to you guys about Union Plus not too long ago, and understand that a lot of people watch me are new subscribers, so they may not have all this new information. Okay? So I did go and get the Union Plus credit card. See? Making sure my name ain't there. See? Yeah, it's there. I did get it after I did that video. And all the perks that go with it, unbefreaking-leavable, cousin. The perks. So as federal workers and union workers, we got some perks. But the scholarship for union families. So I tell you this now because there's a deadline for you, your spouse, your kids. Y'all know what a scholarship is, right? I ain't gonna break that down. Any bit of money to help pay for college. It just, all right, anyway. It's on unionplus.org. 55.4 million, there's where we put the glasses back on. 5.4 million in scholarships awarded to union families. That's a lot. The Union Plus Scholarship Program is offered through the Union Plus Education Foundation, supported in part by contributions from the provider of the Union Plus credit card. You do not need to be a Union Plus credit card holder to apply for this scholarship. How the Union Plus scholarship works. Eligibility. Current and retired members of participating unions, their spouses, and their dependent children. At least 1 year of continuous union membership by the applicant's spouse, or parent. The 1 year membership minimum must be satisfied by May 31st of the scholarship year. Evaluation criteria. This is competitive scholarship. Applicants are evaluated according to the academic ability, just like any scholarship. If you don't know how that works, just go for it. Application timeline. They start in mid-June and the completion application must be received on or before 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time of January 31st of the scholarship year, so by the following year. They range from anywhere between $500 and $4,000. And they have different ones: outstanding scholarship recipients, education foundation, etc. I wanted to tell you guys about this because I'm currently paying my, school loan back myself. But it's good to know that you have this option with the Union Plus. They have bachelor degrees for families as well. Union family members can earn an affordable online bachelor's degree that fits your schedule, because it's online, interest and career goals and budget. An associate's degree, same exact thing. It's 100% online. We talking about education here, okay? Education key, education clutch. It will help you progress. If you plan to just sit at the post office, great. I had somebody tell me today something that I knew, but it just hit me hard. They said, you know what? The plant is the best place to work. And if you're not at a plant, try to get close to a plant. The plant has hundreds of different job opportunities that you will not see if you work at a station. Hundreds of different job opportunities. And there's so many, I'm learning about a bunch of them myself. So you have these opportunities to move forward. What helps you with these opportunities? Having some type of degree. You think they really care about that at the post office? It looks good on paper. It also keeps your mind occupied. If you got time to sit there and talk tick and FaceTime and Facebook and FaceTick, then you have time to get yourself some edunation. You can clearly tell I didn't have any. But I just wanted to share that with you guys. Unionplus.org. Just because we were on the topic of the union and these people so I don't know, man. I don't know. This is getting interesting. It's getting rough. So try to utilize everything that the post office has to give you before something negative happens. Suck it dry, okay? Postal workers, federal workers, suck whatever you can from these people. That just sounds so nasty. Just get it all. Utilize this place because you're a federal worker. Take all the perks, man. Take them all. All the discounts, everything that come with it. Use this. Don't let it be wasted. All right, this is JH, just giving you a little bit of know-how. All right, we out.
Unexpected expenses stressing you out? Get the money you need now with Loans for Feds, a program designed specifically for federal employees. bad credit is not a problem. Application is fast and easy with same-day approvals. Apply now.